I'm Toto, and this is American Toto.
Let's learn opposite words. They are so much fun.
Look, this one is big, and this one is small. Big, small. This is hot, and this is cold. Hot, cold. Cold? This is fast, and this is slow. Fast, slow. He is tall. He is short.
Tall?
Short. This is full, and this is empty. Full, empty. He is happy, and he is sad. Happy, sad. This is day, and this is night. Day, night. He is young, and he is old. Young, old.
This is light. And this is heavy.
Up, down. Up, down.
This is open, and this is closed.
This is push, and this is pull.
That's all for today. See you in next video. Bye-bye.